Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the simple and easy way to delete empty rows in LibreOffice Calc. So I have a table over here and you can see that there are some empty rows in the table. So if you want to delete an individual row, then what you have to do is you need to select the row and right click and click on the delete rows, and here you can see that. So you can delete all the multiple rows at once. For this you need to select the all rows one by one. For this you need to hold down the control key and click on the empty rows to select all, and then right click and click delete rows, and here all the rows are deleted. So if you have a big data set, so it will take a lot of time if you delete the empty rows individually. For this you need to select the entire data range, and after that you need to click on this auto filter. Click on that and the filter has been applied, and then click on this arrow and click on the filter by condition and click on the empty. And now these empty rows are the part of your data. You just need to select all the rows and right click and click delete rows, and now again click on this arrow and you need to clear all filter and click the clear all filter, and your data will be back. So with this way you can easily delete all empty rows in LibreOffice Calc. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.